LDS church leaders are pulling some of the church's missionaries out of Colombia. Religion specialist Dwayne Cardall has been following developments today, and he's here with a report. Dwayne, why has the church decided to move some of the missionaries?
Well, LDS leaders have been closely monitoring the situation in Colombia in recent weeks as the drug war there intensifies. In fact, 2 church general authorities have been in Colombia for at least a week evaluating conditions. They've apparently concluded that the situation has worsened sufficiently to warrant removing some of the missionaries. This afternoon, church spokesman Bruce Olson told Eyewitness News that in view of the expressed threats against Americans, the decision has been made to give transfers or early releases to some of the missionaries serving in Colombia. Now, one source told Eyewitness News those affected who have been out 21 months or longer are being released and sent home, while the others are being reassigned to other missions in South America and the United States. It's assumed those being released or transferred are North Americans, although Olson couldn't confirm that one way or the other. There are 3 separate LDS missions in Colombia. Olson said missionary work in the country will be carried on by the remaining missionary force.
We assume those are Latin American missionaries.
It's probably fairly safe to assume that those would be local missionaries, people from those countries that would continue the work there.
Do you have any idea how many are affected?
We don't have exact numbers at this point, Jennifer, and it's very difficult to say, but there are 3 missions in Colombia. A normal complement would be somewhere in the neighborhood of 160 to 170 missionaries. You could assume that less than half would be Americans, so, possibly 200.
Okay, thanks, Dwayne Cardall.